Welcome to Safe Nets, supplier and service provider of nets. The company was established in 2006 at Mumbai. International quality standards and client-centric approach has helped us to earn clients across the globe. We are well known in the market for our efficient, after-sales support, capacious warehousing unit and market-leading rates. We offer a diverse range of bird protection, agro shade, and braided safety nets. Our bird control, building, and construction safety nets are widely acclaimed in the market. We are instrumental in offering a wide array of bird, scaffolding, and well-covering nets that are cost-effective. We are leading firm engaged in offering metal bird spikes, polypropylene ropes, and tarpaulins products. Corporate bird netting installations and bird nets installation services are acknowledged for their functionality. Bird spikes for commercial apartments and construction safety nets for construction industry are extremely reliable. To get more information, log on at www.safenets1.com.